Today, I'm going to show you a secret strategy that you can use to make at least $10,000 per month working from home and using your internet. Before I jump into the secret strategy, allow me to announce to you that my channel is all about making money online. I create videos that show people how to make money using the power of the internet. And if you're looking for ways and means of using the internet to make money, then my friend, you're watching the correct channel at the right time. Like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Thumbs up will go a long way because YouTube will share this video with more people like you. Thank you very much. So this is one of the easiest strategies of making money online, my friend, and you're working from home. We are going to work backwards. We're going to work with the results that we want first, the end results, the $10,000 that we need per month. We just need to see some figures and see how we can achieve these figures. So for $10,000 per month to be achieved, we need 100 people who are buying a product or some services from us for $100 every month. Or we need a subscription program which pays $100 every month. I'm going to show you two companies that will make this a reality for you and me, okay? The strategy is to have passive income and to have multiple streams of income. One stream of income might not cut it. I'm going to show you two companies, and these companies, they've got fantastic products. So the first company that I'm going to show you right here, my friend, is an online business coaching company. They teach all the ins and the outs of online business. I'm already in that company and I'm going to show you in a minute. So the first company we are looking at is called 4%. It says we help you build your dream business online so you can have more freedom and live life on your own terms. You're coming here and you're going to register for free. And you don't need to pay anything. What you do is you start to learn for free. Vic, my mentor, will start to teach you how to build your own business for free. So later on, you'll see whether you want to continue with him or you don't want to continue with him. But he's going to teach you a ton of nuggets, important information that you need to build an online business. I am already a member of 4% and I'm on gold level annual, right? So what it means here is that I've got access to everything on this website. As you come for free, you are going to learn the 7 steps to freedom. This is a step-by-step guide to creating total freedom, and then you can click to get access. So you're coming for free, and this is what you're going to learn. You have to have clear target. It's going to teach you the money plan. It's going to teach you the game plan. It's going to show you what he calls the goal card, and it's going to show you how to build your own hub, your own home on the internet. It's going to show you how to build your 1,000-member followership or fans or subscribers, and show you how to become the best in business, the best you. This is free. This is premium information, premium courses that are being presented to you for free right here. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so that you can join 4% for free. And then you start to consume this information. Clear target, money plan, game plan, goal card, your hub, 1,000 members, how to build 1,000 members or subscribers for yourself, and then become the best. As a gold member like me, then you go into the mastery of this course. Then here you've got the internet traffic mastery. For online business to function or to be successful, there should be some eyeballs that are watching the business, that are watching a website, that are consuming your information. So now there is what is called the internet traffic mastery. Right here, you could say that's the A to Z of acquiring online traffic. You can see here, there are 12 modules. 12 modules right there. So Vic takes you one by one. Traffic rules, traffic strategies, game plan. And then he goes on a tracking overview. Then he goes on to Instagram influencers, Facebook influencers, YouTube influencers, Twitter influencers, and so forth and so forth, right? Then he goes now to direct buys, directories, networks, marketplace. And he goes on to Facebook hacks, Instagram, YouTube hacks, buy, sell ads, native ads. Those ones are powerful, right? And the list goes on and on and on. You don't need to buy any other course again once you are on 4% right here. You don't need to be learning from that one, from that one, from that one. And at the end of the day, you are overwhelmed and you don't know which one to follow because you are overwhelmed and then you end up being confused. But when you are having one teacher and he's showing you what he does to make at least $100,000 every day in his company, then my friend, you better listen to that one, okay? When you become a gold member, right, you get all these other ones, the modules: list building mastery, communication and copyright mastery, conversion mastery. You've got the tribe building mastery, how to build your own tribe, raving fans following you. Then you've got the mass traffic blueprint. So after finishing the course right here, let me just click that one, what he calls the success challenge. The success challenge has got 30 modules. This is where this is why I'm saying, you see, my friend, you don't need to buy any other course again. Everything you need concerning building a solid and a predictable online business is housed right here on this website. So you are coming in for free. Then you've got Affiliate Marketing Academy. This is where I learned most of the information I know about affiliate marketing, my friend. This is the A to Z of affiliate marketing. So welcome to Affiliate Marketing Academy. And you've got the success challenge, you've got the live streams, and then you start to consume those 7 steps to freedom. So you're coming in for free right here, and then you consume the 7 steps to freedom. And you find that your life will never be the same again once you start to consume this information. You got even the taxes and business structures. You're taught everything: irresistible influence and persuasion, the e-com, entrepreneur, all sorts, everything. Look at that. These courses are all open to me. Why? Because I'm on gold level. If we are to go back to our figure, so our figures are showing that we need 100 people who pay at least $100 per month to us for us to achieve $10,000 per month. So with 4%, when someone comes into gold level monthly, they'll be paying $250. So if you bring someone to 4%, so they start their program on a free level, and when they upgrade to gold monthly, they will be paying $250 every month. And then you get 40% of 250. 40% of $250 is $100. So pull a calculator right there and say 250 times 40%, which is 0.4. Answer is 100 every month. Because they are paying monthly, you'll be getting $100 monthly. Fantastic, right? So if they upgrade to gold annual is at $2,000, right? There is a special which is going on right now. So when someone upgrades, you get $800 one time, and that's for a year. And according to the 80-20 rule, you find that a fifth of the people who are going to come are going to upgrade. A fifth of the people who come for free right here are going to upgrade to gold monthly, and so forth and so forth. There are other levels at the top right there. So this is why it is important to build a list, and you have at least 1,000 loyal subscribers. And you remember that there is internet traffic mastery. So with the internet traffic mastery, with the list building mastery, with the conversion mastery, with the communication and copyright mastery, and the tribe building mastery, and the internet traffic blueprint, my friend, you can learn how to build your own list. 1,000 subscribers is a breeze. It will not be a struggle to build a list of 1,000 subscribers to your list. And then 20% of them are going to upgrade to gold monthly, and 20% of that are going to upgrade to gold annual. So the strategy right here is to bring at least 1,000 referrals, who 20% of them are going to upgrade to gold monthly. And then that's 200. Once you have 200 paying per month, then already you have exceeded your $10,000. So with all the tools, the internet traffic mastery, the copyright and communication mastery, the conversion mastery, the tribe building mastery, all the tools that are in 4%, it will not be a struggle to build your own list, my friend, of at least 1,000 loyal subscribers. This is how this gentleman is making upwards of 80,000 per day just by using this, right? So when you come, and he's going to teach you exactly what he's doing, like I'm learning myself, exactly what to do. I haven't hit my 10,000 per month yet, but I am getting there. All what you need is the correct blueprint. I'm going to give you a bonus company that you can use to bump up your income, my friend. And that company is called 7K Metals. So this company is facilitating the delivery of gold and silver to the doorstep of ordinary people like you and me. What happens right here is that you buy an annual membership, and then you start to save part of your money. Instead of saving your money in an account somewhere where the money is eroded by inflation, right? You convert it into gold and silver coins. And these are the highest graded coins on planet Earth. They're verified by one of the biggest companies in the whole world called NGC. You save, then you share the opportunity with your brother, your sister, your friends, and then you start to earn. And when you share with your friend, your brother, your sister, just two, you need only 2 people to share your link with for you to be positioned to a $500 per week check or income. So it means per month, that's $2,000 per month. By just referring this information, this opportunity, by just referring this opportunity to 2 people, you are at a position of receiving $500 per week. I'm going to leave a link for both 7K and 4% in the description below, so that you jump on it straight away when you are ready. So this is my back office, and you can see that that's me right there making money with this company already. I've got few videos that I've already made about this 7K Metal company, and you can see the compensation plan. You find that making $10,000 per month, my friend, is not a far-fetched kind of idea. Come a reality if you put some work into it, if you learn, if you follow those who are already doing it. I'll leave the link in the description for you to check once you are ready. If you have found value in this video, let me know in the comments and give us some thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.